It's soup season, and today we're going to kick it off with a delicious lasagna soup. Here's one of my older videos. I hope you enjoy it. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. On medium heat, start by adding 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to your Dutch oven or soup pot. Now let's toss in 1 small diced onion. We'll saute this until it's slightly caramelized. Once your onion is golden and fragrant, it's time to add the meat. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of mild Italian sausage, but adding 1 pound of either will work too. I'm going to break my meat up with my meat chopper and brown it. Once your meat is brown, be sure to drain any excess fat. Let's add 4 medium minced garlic cloves, which is equivalent to 4 teaspoons. Garlic adds an incredible aroma and flavor. For my seasoning, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary, 3 fresh basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a tablespoon of sea salt. Just a quick note, when you cut your basil, do not chop it or you'll bruise it. Stack your 3 leaves, roll them, then cut them into thin ribbons. This is called chiffonade. Next, add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix in 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. These ingredients will give our soup that rich, hearty lasagna flavor. Now I'm going in with some pepper, and this is really to your taste. Here I'm adding 6 cups of beef broth to the pot, which is a 32-ounce container, plus 2 more cups. If you only have a 32-ounce container, you can sub the other 2 cups with water. This will be the base of our delicious soup. I also like to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This helps balance the acidity in our tomatoes. Raise your temp to medium-high to bring it to a simmer. Once it simmers, cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. For our lasagna noodles, you have 2 options. You can either break them into small pieces, like this, or you can leave them slightly larger, but the size might be a bit of a big bite. If you're having trouble breaking them into uniform pieces, here's another method. Start by bringing a pot of water to a boil and add about 2 tablespoons of oil to prevent sticking. Cook your noodles for about 4 minutes, just enough time for them to become malleable. Once they're done, drain the noodles and rinse them with cold water. Now you can cut them to your preferred size. I like to cut them about this size, but you can also cut them in half, lengthwise first, then into bite-sized pieces. It's totally your choice. After 20 minutes of cooking, it's time to add our noodles. Let's stir them in and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. This will allow the noodles to absorb all those wonderful flavors. It's been 10 minutes, and look at this beautiful hearty soup. The aroma is fantastic. Just imagine the flavors coming together. Now let's serve this up and move on to the next step. To a small bowl, add 3 heaping tablespoons of ricotta cheese, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, 3 heaping tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, mozzarella. Now give it a good mix. You can stir in your cheese mixture into your pot of soup, or if you're like me, for better presentation, you can add a scoop to each bowl, then garnish with some parsley. Now how delicious does this look? Let's go in for the taste test. The flavors are incredible. The richness of the cheeses complement the savory broth beautifully, and those herbs really shine. It's comforting, hearty, and perfect for a cozy meal. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!